my YouTube channel, so I know I look a little bit weird, but it's like it happens that I generally shoot, like I create a look and then I just don't shoot it or show you guys how I do it. So I thought in this video, why not show you guys how I created this, because a lot of you guys keep asking me how you do it, how did you do it. So I think I might not be posting it up on my Instagram page, but if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you go and follow me right now. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you click that subscribe button so you guys will see more of the videos. And so yeah, so this is the video this is what I created today. So it is like spill sort of a look which I actually saw it on Instagram, and I was really thrilled to create it. So you guys can see how different and how how it looks. Of course it's my skin but better. It's the same foundation that I use, and yeah, so this is what I created. If you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching.
Okay guys, so I'm just mapping out where I want my drip to fall, like the spill to fall, and then I'm taking the skin tone pencil. This I think I got it from Spoil app or something, and then I'm just mapping out how the fall of the spill will be. And skin tone, like this is really easy rather than using a white, so that at least you can just erase it like just with your fingers. So I'm just mapping out how I want the drip to fall, and then taking my Studio Skin foundation in 4.5 by Smashbox. Also I'm mixing it up with a little bit of the Infallible foundation in 110 Cream Cafe, and I'm just going to be mixing it up and applying it or inside the area of the spill. So you can do either the way I am doing it, or what you can do is you can also just apply the foundation around the area and then you can just clean it out. So it's totally your preference, but I think this was something which was better for me. Then I'm using my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Conceal in C12 to apply it where I need to highlight and conceal. So because this is a lighter skin tone. Then for my brows, I was going to go for a thicker brow, so I'm using my Nykaa Brow Chica Wow. And then I'm also going to conceal around my brows because I want this to be looking very clean and very precise. So I'm just doing that. I'm just cleaning my eyebrows and everything. Also I'm gonna conceal my eyelid as well, because since I have pigmentation on my eyelid, I want to conceal a little bit. And then taking this Mr. Rose palette, I'm taking this dark deep brown, like purple kind of a shade, applying it in the outer corner. Then taking this pink palette from Nika K, and I'm just applying it right after. Then using the Under the Sea palette by Nika K, I'm taking this orange shade and I'm applying it after the pink. And then I'm using again the same palette for my yellow shadow. So I'm just packing on the yellow, because yellow is like something which you can't really work a lot with. So I'm just packing on the yellow and just trying to blend out. Later I'm just gonna blend out with a clean pencil brush, and then taking my I don't remember which brand it is, like it's a liquid glitter. And then I'm just going to use my white pencil, kohl pencil, on my lower lash line. This is by Wet n Wild. And then taking my Rimmel London Scandalized blue liner. I forgot to film that part. I just applied it on my waterline. I'm just going to be going again with the blue one. Then taking my Makeup Revolution palette, I just applied my blush, and then I'm just going to contour a little bit. And then taking again my Makeup Revolution blush Sugar and Spice palette, I'm going to highlight. So also on my cheekbones as well as just above my brows. I think this will create a nicer depth. Then taking my Reloaded Velvet palette by Makeup Revolution again, I'm just taking this deep brown color, and I'm just going to go outline the areas where I I have carved out my spill, because this is going to give me that shadow. And since eyeshadows are a bit softer version of it, I think this will look really good. So good as well as it will, because it will create that softer shadow sort of a look. And then you can go a little bit with the black, so that you can just go again. And then taking my white pencil again by Wet n Wild, I'm just gonna go again and just highlight sort of like a portion. And then I'm taking my mascara, which is by My Glam 3-Some Mascara. I'm just gonna apply it on my upper and lower lash line. Then I'm just applying my lashes to give that depth. And then going in with my lipstick, today I'm using the Just Herbs Margee lipstick in shade 08. And I love how this color was looking, but however I didn't really like how it was looking in the camera, so I went again with the chai lipstick by Matte to Last from Nykaa, and this was a perfect combination.
Guys, enjoyed this video, do let me know in the comment box telling me how you like this video. If you have any suggestions or recommendations, feel free to write on any of my social media platforms. I'll be more than happy to help. And if you have anything to say or ask, you can ask me either on here or on my Instagram, whatever you like. You know, you can follow me everywhere. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay beautiful, stay confident, keep missing me, keep loving me, and keep spilling the makeup. So I will see you guys later. Bye.